Hi guys, and welcome to JTech WP. In this tutorial, I'm going to teach you some of the basics of Elementor custom headers. I'm going to show you how to make a standard header with a logo on the left and menu on the right, and a sticky header, and then we're going to move on to having a logo in the center with a menu either side. Let's go! Your pages are built, your content's in, and now you want to create a custom header. To do this, we go to the dashboard, we go to templates, theme builder. Now we're going to add a new template. So we're going to add new, select, and we're going to scroll down to where it says header. Tick that, and I'll call it header. Press create template. Wait a moment. What this allows you to do is build any kind of header layout you want. As soon as you do that, it brings up the library. What I'm going to do is I'm going to start off with quite a simple one. I'm going to go with Metro because it's got a search on there which looks pretty cool. So I press insert, give it a couple of seconds as it's downloading it from Elementor's library. And you can see now that it's imported, there's our site logo. So first of all, I'm going to fix that. So I'm going to click on it. Go style, play around with the width so it looks better. There we go, about 259 looks good. And then to style the menu items, I click on the pencil and I can adjust the style now. So if we go into style, typography, let's change the weight to 300, make them look a bit more skinny. You can select colors from your global colors, or by clicking here, you can select them and use the pointer. So that's our normal one. Our hover will have a different color. So you see that when you hover over it, it changes color. So you can set that here. So there's your text color. And the pointer is this little green line here. Okay, so all I'm going to do is press publish, add a condition, entire site, save and close. I'll refresh that now. And our new menu's there. Okay. I can customize the background color of it. To customize the header background, click on edit section, style, and here is where we can change our background color. So you just use a suitable color. I'm going to put it back to white. That's where you do that. I press update. Now to make this sticky, we're going to need to install another plugin. So I'll go exit to dashboard, go to plugins, we will go add new, and we'll search for sticky header effect. And we're looking for this one, sticky header effects for Elementor. Install now. Activate. Go back to our templates, theme builder. Go back to header, edit with Elementor. And this is going to allow us to have a sticky header. So as you scroll down the page, the header stays in place. So click edit section, go to advanced. Then I want to make sure that I go to motion effects, sticky, set that to top. You can see it says it will be sticky on desktop, tablet and mobile. And to make it a bit better, we want to go to sticky header effects, enable, and you can make it change color as you scroll. I'll refresh the page in the browser. As I scroll down the page now, you see the header stays in place. You can also with this change the header background color using this system here. So I click header background, I can change the color. So as I scroll down, you can set it to any color you want. Press update. Go back to the front end, refresh. And we should see as I scroll, it changes color. So you can set that to any color you want. What about if you wanted the logo in the middle and a menu on the left and a menu on the right? How do we do that? Well, first of all, I'm going to delete this header. I'm going to add 3 columns. First of all, I'm going to put our site logo in the center, and then either side we're going to have a menu. So I can go nav menu here and a nav menu on the left. So the first problem we've got is it's got the same items in each one. So the next fix we do for that is we're going to create 2 menus. So press update, go exit to dashboard, and we're going to go into appearance menus. So that's our main menu. What we're going to do now is create a left menu and a right menu. So I go create a new menu, call it left, create menu. We're going to go view all. I'm going to put 2 on each side. So if you've got more, try and keep them the same number. So if you've got 6 items, have 3 on either side. Add to menu, save menu. We're going to create the right menu now. So I go create a new menu. We're going to call it right, create menu, and just use the other 2 pages. So I'm going to use contact and services, add to menu, save menu, go back to templates, theme builder, edit our header. So what I'm going to do now is on this menu here, I click the little icon, and then here we can say left, and on this one select it and we select right menu. Update. Our menu items are a bit high up. What I'd like to do is try and get them more centrally aligned with the logo. So click on the section, you're looking for layout, and then you want to set vertical align to middle, and watch what happens now. You see they jump in line with that. I'll click on this one, let's align that to the center, click on this one, align to the center, and you'll see now it looks a lot more balanced. So this should work if you've got like more menu items. You could have probably up to 4 on each side, I would say. But 6 is a safe number. So that's how you make a split screen on the desktop. But your problem is, what happens when you go to mobile? I go to mobile, look at that. That's going to be a bit confusing for the users. To fix that, all I'm going to do is I'm going to add another section. So I'm going to make it 50-50. I'm going to duplicate my logo, copy that onto the left, and I'll scale that in a moment. And then in this right hand column, I'm going to put in a nav menu, and we're going to put in main menu. So what that's going to do on the mobile is have the logo on the left and the main menu on the right. So I can adjust the sizing here. With this top section here, we only want to be able to see this on the desktop. So click on the section, go to responsive, hide on tablet, hide on mobile. And with this menu here, select it, responsive, and what we want to do is hide on desktop. This allows us now, when we go to tablet mode, you'll have a single menu, and the same with mobile. You'll have one menu, so it keeps it nice and clean for our users. Put the time in and style it as you like, but that's how you do a split screen menu with a logo in the middle. I press update. I'm going to check it on the front end of the live site. Refresh it. Okay, we've got our split screen. I'm just going to resize my browser window to a tablet size. Okay, so there you go, it's gone to tablet. And then on mobile, so we can see that's working okay. And that is the basics of how to do various menus in Elementor. So we've covered how to do a standard menu, and we've covered how to do a menu with the logo in the middle and a menu either side. Well guys, I hope you found that useful. If you'd like to learn any more about Elementor, please leave a note in the comments below and I'll get on it straight away. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you on the next one.